In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to detect AI text with ZeroGPT. If you've ever wondered whether a piece of writing was produced by a human or assisted by an AI model, ZeroGPT gives you a quick, accessible way to check. I'll walk you through the process from start to finish and share a few practical tips so you get the clearest results possible. First, log into ZeroGPT. Make sure you're on the official site and that your connection is secure before entering your credentials. Logging in ensures you have access to the core detection tool and any features tied to your account. If you're using a shared device, consider logging out afterward to keep your account secure. Also, remember not to paste or store any private or sensitive information you wouldn't want to share, especially if the text contains confidential details. Next, paste in your text. You can use content from a document, an email draft, an essay, or any block of writing you want to evaluate. Copy it from your source and paste it into the main text box inside ZeroGPT. For best results, keep the text as plain as possible. Stripping out excessive formatting, removing unnecessary headers or footers, and avoiding pasted images or tables helps the detector focus on the actual writing. If your text is very long, aim for a representative section that captures the overall style and tone. The goal is to provide a clean sample that reflects how the writing naturally reads. Then click Detect Text. ZeroGPT will analyze the language patterns, sentence structures, and other statistical cues it uses to estimate the likelihood of AI involvement. This usually takes just a moment. When the result appears, you'll typically see a probability or confidence label indicating whether the text is likely AI generated, likely human written, or somewhere in between. Treat these results as an indicator rather than a definitive verdict. AI detectors can produce false positives or false negatives, especially with heavily edited AI outputs or very short passages. The longer and more natural the sample, the more reliable the signal tends to be. If the result is borderline, consider reviewing tone, consistency, and specificity in the writing to support your judgment. That's the full process. Log into ZeroGPT, paste your text, and click Detect Text. Use the outcome as one data point among others when making decisions, and always respect privacy by avoiding sensitive content. With these simple steps and a careful read of the results, you'll be well equipped to evaluate whether a piece of text may have been generated by AI.